What's going on everybody, my name is Harris and this video is all about showing you how you can download PS Touch application for your Android devices. As you can see that this app is working perfectly fine on my Xiaomi Mi Mix 2 and this will work on yours as well. But I've experienced some of the force closes on this application as well because it's not meant to be used on the phones. This does work without any issues on Android 8.0. So in order to download this, all you need is to enable unknown sources on your Android devices and you need to download APK file with the link below in the description. This is as simple as that. This is just a tutorial for you how you can get PS Touch or Photoshop on your mobile devices. And this is not some kind of a tutorial for showing you how you can edit your photos or make good thumbnails. So if you want to watch them, hit me in the comments. I will make a video on that too. If you like this, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe button for more videos like this. This is Apple Now and I am signing out.